Have you ever stopped to think about that tiny ant you barely notice as it crawls across the ground? The one that sometimes ends up beneath our feet is actually a citizen of one of the most successful empires on Earth. Today, we're going to uncover the incredible secrets hidden within the world of ants. It's astonishing to realize that, except for Antarctica and a few remote islands, ants have conquered almost every corner of our planet. From scorching deserts to dense rainforests, they have adapted to nearly every environment imaginable. Few creatures in nature have achieved such extraordinary success. What's even more fascinating is that this global dominance isn't the work of a single species. Scientists have already identified more than 13,800 species of ants, and many more are believed to be waiting for discovery. This incredible diversity is one of the main reasons behind their success. But what is the real secret of their power? The answer isn't found in the strength of an individual ant. Instead, it lies in a remarkable concept known as the superorganism. Rather than thinking of an ant colony as thousands or millions of separate insects, imagine it as a single living creature with millions of bodies working toward one shared goal. The easiest way to understand this idea is to compare ants to the cells in your own body. Each cell performs a specific task that helps keep you alive. In the same way, every ant has a role that contributes to the survival and growth of the colony. An individual ant has limited abilities. It may gather food, dig tunnels, or care for young larvae. But when millions of ants work together, each small action becomes part of something much larger. Every effort serves the colony, protects the queen, and ensures the survival of future generations. Inside an ant colony exists a highly organized society. Each member has a specific responsibility. The queen lays eggs and ensures the continuation of the colony. Worker ants collect food, care for the young, and maintain the nest. Soldier ants defend their home against threats, often risking their own lives in the process. What makes this system truly remarkable is that it functions without a central commander directing every action. Each ant instinctively knows what it needs to do and performs its duties throughout its life. Some ant colonies are so enormous that they contain tens of millions of individuals. Certain supercolonies stretch across hundreds of kilometers, connecting multiple nests into a single cooperative network. It's almost like a nation made up of many cities, all working under one government. Their success comes not only from their numbers, but also from their organization. Ants are masters of resource management. They modify their environment, build complex underground cities, and respond to danger with incredible coordination. When a threat appears, thousands of ants can react as if they were a single organism. The scale of their influence becomes even more impressive when scientists examine biomass, the total weight of living organisms in a particular area. In some tropical forests, the combined weight of ants can exceed that of all the birds and many mammals living there. For such tiny creatures, their impact on ecosystems is enormous. The relationship between ants and humans is also surprisingly complex. In some cultures, ants are used as food and traditional medicine. They can help protect crops by controlling harmful insects. However, certain species can also damage crops, invade homes, and disrupt entire ecosystems when introduced into new environments. When we closely observe ant societies, we begin to see similarities with our own. There is division of labor, efficient communication, and large-scale cooperation. Ants communicate using chemical signals, creating vast information networks that allow them to coordinate their actions with extraordinary precision. This is one reason scientists are so fascinated by ants. They are not simply studying insects. They are studying collective intelligence. They want to understand how millions of individuals can work together effectively, without a central authority controlling every decision. Perhaps the greatest lesson ants teach us is that cooperation can create achievements far greater than individual effort alone. Their success demonstrates the incredible power of unity, organization, and shared purpose. And that brings us to a final thought. If millions of ants, creatures with no human-level awareness, can reshape the world through cooperation, then what could humanity accomplish if we truly work together toward a common goal?